Hi there, this is Mila with another tip to life improvement from the inside out. It's about affirmation. We all heard about there is something like affirmation, speaking certain words to oneself. But I like to speak about a test the power of affirmation influencing your life improvement and goal achievement. And here it is. Let's say I would like to improve my health and well-being. And I put affirmation together saying, my health is important to me, and I'm taking excellent care of my body. I eat only healthy foods and healthy beverages, and I exercise daily 30 minutes. If you keep repeating this affirmation, it will be really hard to order something that doesn't go with I only eat healthy foods and healthy beverages. There will be response in you, and eventually you will change your habit and will create a habit that supports your health and well-being and vitality. So make this test. I think the key is to have one single goal that you are working on. And if it's health and well-being, then this is a little example of it. So, because if you have too many, then the mind will not focus. Focus on one clear affirmation. What is the number one priority you want to improve in your life? Create nice statement for yourself and repeat it to yourself if you are really serious about, being healthy and have good life. All right, this is Mila. Have fun with it. Life is supposed to be fun.